Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing amazing, you all are doing great and I am sure definitely आपने पुरानी वीडियो देखी होगी and the previous video was on the topic why to meditate. आखिर हमें meditate करना क्यों चाहिए और meditate करने से होता क्या है. So there we got to know about a very important step, that was to know yourself from within. Yes, कि आप अपने आप को अंदर से जब अच्छे से पहचान लेते हो, जान लेते हो, then there is where the magic begins. But for today we'll get to know कि आखिर ये होता कैसे है, हम कैसे खुद को जान पाते हैं. So here we will talk about the essence of meditation, the very important part of meditation, that is awareness. So for today the topic is awareness. I am pretty sure कि आपने ये word personally बहुत बार सुना होगा, whether it involves spirituality or otherwise. And मैंने भी personally ये word बहुत बार सुना था, but I never knew कि इस word का मतलब इतना deep भी हो सकता है, जो मेरी daily life में एक इतना essential part बन जाएगा. एक ये word जिसका नाम है awareness, एक ऐसा word इतना important कैसे हो सकता है. So let me begin with an example here. For example, you are walking on a ground. You're just walking on the road. अब इसमें awareness का क्या मतलब है? How you should be aware of it. अब ऐसा करना एक बहुत ही usual activity है, जो हम सब रोज करते हैं, दिन में बहुत बार करते हैं. एंड अब इसमें अवेयरनेस को कैसे इंकलकेट करना है एंड अवेयरनेस कैसे इन्वॉल्व होगी इस एग्जाम्पल में. इट इज कि अगर आप एक ग्राउंड में वॉक कर रहे हो, यू शुड बी अवेयर दैट यू आर वॉकिंग, योर लेग्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन दिस एंड यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. आप मदर अर्थ के ऊपर वॉक कर रहे हो. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 इज you are looking at numerous things around you. You should be aware कि आप अपनी आईज से इतनी सारी चीजों को देख पा रहे हो. Then you are breathing. Number 3, you are breathing air. You should be aware कि at the same time you are breathing air. Number 4, you are hearing people speaking. You are hearing the honking. You are hearing the chirping of birds and so many other things. You should be aware that your ears are involved and you are hearing numerous things. This is what awareness is. अगर मैं एक एग्जाम्पल के फॉर्म में आज एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करूं, this is something that we usually do every single time, but we never realize it, we never acknowledge it. हम हमारी awareness में उस चीज को नहीं आने देते. But this is where the essence of meditation begins, कि हमें aware रहना है. We should be aware of every single thing, every single time. So this was just an example. Now if we talk about our daily routines, we do number of things which involves watching TV, watching videos on phone, talking to someone, playing, and then eating food, drinking water, and sleeping. There are various activities we do in 24 hours a day. So हर एक एक्टिविटी में कैसे अवेयर रहना, that is an art. So that is the real essence. अभी to begin with, I started with the activities. I started with the daily routine. But इस सब का main essence, main मतलब क्या है, is when you involve, when you inculcate, when you introduce awareness in your thoughts. And this is where the hardship begins. I know this is very easy to speak कि हाँ हमारे thoughts को लेके हमें aware रहना चाहिए. हमारे thoughts को लेके हमें कोई judgment भी pass नहीं करनी और awareness में रह के हमारे negative thoughts को positivity में उसको convert भी करना है. I know it is very easy to speak. I know even I struggle every single day to do that. But this is what it is. This is how we should transform ourselves. This is how we should inculcate awareness in our daily routines, in our daily regular thoughts. So I'm sure कि आप सबको भी बहुत thoughts आते होंगे. This is what our mind does. This is what our brain does. Even if we see something, even if we have an object in our hand, उसके around ही हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारे thoughts आते हैं. And those thoughts can either be negative or positive. Now, where is the awareness here? So this is where the awareness will play the most important role. जब आपको कोई भी thoughts आ रहे हैं, those could be either positive or negative. Here you acknowledge. First of all, you'll differentiate कि ये positive है या negative है. You'll differentiate your thoughts. And then if it is negative or positive, you'll acknowledge it. That yes, अगर मुझे इसको लेके कोई thought आया है, ये positive है. या अगर कोई thought आया है, ये negative है. And if it is negative, then you have to be aware of it. Then the awareness begins. Then you have to be aware that yes, अगर मुझे ये negative thought आया है, I don't want that to happen. I don't want any negative thoughts to take place in my mind. Then you have the power to transform that negative thought into the positivity. This is what awareness does. This is how the magic happens. I told you that magic is within you. The magic is inside you. And this is how magic comes in action. When you acknowledge anything and then in awareness, you transform that negativity into the positivity. That is the magic that happens inside you. And this is why awareness is so important. And I'm sure that after this video, you will at least consider, you'll at least try to begin introducing awareness inside you. And in case if you have any doubts regarding this or any questions regarding this, please feel free to message below. Thank you so much.